Hey, hello there. 100 days challenge is here again. The idea is very simple. Pick up something you're going to do consistently for 100 days. And you realize that you get involved, you get better result, and something will just be bettered. I receive for you grace to be consistent. Might be in praying, studying the word, confessing the word, reading a book, reading the Bible, meditation or meditating. Just something that will add to your life. Join the flow. Be a part of it. Start now and make the best of this moment. The result as we approach the end of the year and into the new year 2026. Be a part of it. 100 days challenge. All right. Shalom, peace of God. Remember to like this video, comment, share, and continue to love Jesus.